Hello, and welcome to Nexudus Unlocked. Today, we are going to look at how you can maintain and edit your email templates. All the email templates are ready to use without additional setup, but you can always go through them and align their content more with your brand tone. As a full unrestricted admin, you can easily maintain your email templates by navigating to Settings and then to Email Template Editor in the admin panel. Email templates are available in multiple languages. Simply select the relevant language and then click on the template you wish to edit. In each template, you can assign a different from name, reply to, CC, and BCC email addresses. This is super helpful for streamlining your operations, as all the relevant communications will be coming and going to specific email addresses. For example, you could set the reply to email for all finance-related emails to your finance team's email, and all the booking-related emails to your reception team's email. If you'd like to copy these details to all of your templates, click the button below. To edit the notifications content, click on the editor. From here, you can update the text and images. A great way to customize email templates and make them more personalized is by using notification tokens. Each notification token is linked to a field available in each customer's account. When the email is sent, the token will be replaced by the customer's relevant information, making the email more personalized. If you'd like to copy this specific template to all locations within your network, click Copy to all locations. Please note that this action is just copying the template to the other locations and does not link the email templates. If you edited this template after copying it, the changes will not be reflected in other locations. Simply click Copy to all locations again. At any point, you can reset the email template to the default template by clicking Reset. Once you've finished editing the template, remember to click Save. That's about it for this update. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team or check out our knowledge base at help.nexudus.com.